Where's the birdie? There's the seagull by the window. Lucky. Look, look. Seagull. Where's the seagull, baby? Where's Seagull? Seagull wants food. Seagull wants food. Seagull is saying, pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, wow, the wind kind of just blew him away, the seagull. Oh, so windy. So windy. Seagull is saying, better hurry up with that egg, because it's quite windy out here. Okay, lie down, baby boy. Good boy, my baby boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. Oh, there's plastic there again. Yeah, you better put up. Need kaput maka that thing, yeah? Need kaput yung maka. Kaput maka. He's so cute, diba? So cute. Need kaput maka, baby. Need kaput maka, baby. So cute, Rocky. So cute. Okay. Baby won second prize today. Second prize. The best second wagging tail. Because lucky for me is the best. The best, the best, the best. So cute, baby. So cute, baby. Maybe they should do the cutest of them all. Hello, everyone. It's the cutest of them all. It's the cutest or the fiercest. The fiercest. Is this the fiercest? The fiercest, cutest. Yeah, is there something like that? The fiercest and the cutest. That's lucky. Yes, he's the fiercest and the cutest. No. Oh my goodness, the face. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so cute, he's so Bobby. Cute, he's cute, he's cute.